Hello everyone, welcome back. As you see there, right here, we have two antennas hooked up on a piece of wood,
two antennas
on that
one
bar.
miner.
So, what we did was to cut the LMR 400 cable, which wasn't really a LMR 400 cable. The coax inside had just a copper cover,
It's aluminium with
but
copper
it
cover.
was actually inside aluminum.
But is the thick is the same with the LMR.
Yeah. So what we did was to shorten the cable, make an antenna with 16 segments,
About 2 meters.
which was about 2 meters. Yeah.
Yeah.
We tested it one day.
With success.
We'll
Yeah.
show you guys
You
after
will see.
the results.
Then
We cut it in half.
yeah.
We took only one piece with
Yes.
8 segments, put it up, then tested it for about 2 days,
1-2 days.
1 or 2 days.
Yeah.
Then after that, after we got the rewards,
Yes.
we hooked up 2 antennas in parallel to the miner, and as you see, they are here on the command center.
Yeah.
And right now we are going to check the rewards of each one, the full one, the one only with 8 segments, and both of them in parallel.
Yeah. Now we're gonna get down the antennas, and we leave this one
From Go Wireless.
go wireless because these antennas
Mhm.
works the same as
As this one.
this one.
So either you buy one from Go Wireless,
Yeah.
either you make your own by buying an LMR 400 cable, quality cable.
Yeah.
Okay, and you know, there are websites on the internet that calculates your segment length and everything you need to know when making an antenna.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go
We
to
put this
the
antenna because the winter is coming, and this antenna is more reliable. Yeah.
reliable. Yeah,
Yeah.
because it is sealed.
Yeah,
We don't
it's
have to
fiberglass.
worry about rain or
Yeah.
snow.
Yeah. So this will be the last video when we build
Antennas.
antennas, because any kind of antenna we build doesn't
Doesn't increase your earnings.
or
Your earnings. Okay, so
yeah.
don't try any antenna because each one works the same.
Yeah, we will test a directional antenna soon,
Mhm.
about 16 dBi. So maybe with this antenna we can reach miners from the
From far away, very far, up to 100 kilometers, because that's the limit.
Yeah.
So if we
19
manage to get miners from 100 kilometers under,
Yeah.
okay, let's say 90,
Yeah.
80, 70, that's very
Yeah.
good.
Okay, we go to change the antenna, and then we go to
Explorer and
show you.
show you the results. So we took the antenna down.
As I say, the antenna works good, but I need to fill up.
We need a proper case for them, you know,
Yeah.
because they will bend. They will somehow melt and bend because of the sun and the heat.
So we need our
As you see here,
fiberglass on.
as you see here, it's not even inside the pipe.
Yeah.
It is outside, covered with tape here.
And don't smile. You will see. You will see the rewards. We show you soon.
Look at.
The cat. The cat. Okay. This is one. Pune pauză.
Also with this we tested two antennas in parallel.
Yeah.
Only in one miner without what was that called? Splitter.
Yeah.
Without any splitter, we just uh, uh, stick the
Wire.
coax with the ground,
I show you just a moment.
then onto the main cable.
Yeah.
Yes, we used a thin cable here.
Du-te, nu-ți băga în degetele mele. Du-te, măi! Măi! Ce mă ți fac cu diavolul?
Okay, so we took the tape off this
Băi,
connector,
aici.
and as I told you guys, we wired the coaxes together and the ground,
Together.
and inside of it, on this connector, we inserted the coax,
Yeah.
then the ground on it.
Without soldering.
Yeah, without soldering, because last time we destroyed the RPA.
Yeah.
Actually, what is this called? The
N-type.
N-type.
N-type
Yeah,
female.
N-type female. Yeah, we destroyed the last one.
So this is a good antenna. We will try to make it more design. To have
We will
yeah.
give it a better design, not with holes covered with tape.
And maybe, let's see, we will sell.
Yeah,
It's a good antenna.
yeah, they are performing very well. You will see.
And now we put back the.
You can say it's even better than a McGill.
I told you it's about the region, the height of antenna of water miners, the cable, the length of the cable.
Yes, now the length of our cable is about. How much did we
It's 6
take?
now.
It's only 6 meters
Yeah,
of LMR
because
400.
because we cut 2 meters from them.
Hmm.
But I next year I want to reduce more, about 1 meter,
Only 1 meter of
Yeah.
cable.
and we get the miners to the enclosure.
Yeah,
And
we will take it out.
Yeah,
Right now it's in the house,
Yeah.
on the shelf in the kitchen, but we will
we not
take it out from
we
there.
not lose more dBi on this cable, on these 6 meters cables. It's about 0.5, let's say. But I don't know. Maybe it's working well
On short,
on
or short
cable.
length of cable.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're not keeping you there until we mount the antenna. We are finishing things here, set it up, then go on the Explorer.
Okay, guys. So now I will show you the rewards with the full one antenna
With the 16.
segments. And we start here. We start here, just a moment. Oh my god. Okay, let's see now. 4 days ago. 4 days ago. Okay. One. Here. Okay, here. From here is with a full one antenna of 2 meters. As you can see here, we have a broadcast. The maximum numbers of the witnesses is 14, so
We can't get more.
we can get more, but I think this is the maximum number. I see other miners,
Having the exact same amount.
yeah, no more than 4.
So don't think if you get a high dBi antenna, you will more miners will see you.
Okay. Okay. Witnesses the same distance with the go wireless antenna. 9 kilometers, 34 kilometers, 39 kilometers. Okay. 5. From here
Is
is
the full one? Or
from here up is with half of full one. With one antenna, half of the full one. The same witness, 4 kilometers, 9 kilometers. Broadcast, the same 14.
again 14.
Yeah, witnesses. Okay, now here we change and put the both antennas. And as you can see, the same distance. 4 kilometers, 4 kilometers, 19 kilometers, and again broadcast 14 witnesses. So even with one of 2 meters or one of half 1 meter or 2 of
Each,
one
yeah.
in the same time, we have the same results. See, the same results. Another broadcast, 14 witnesses. Another one. So the antenna is have a excellent power transmitting, because the maximum number of the witnesses is 14. Okay, and here today we
Now
put the go wireless antenna, and as I tell you in the last videos, we want to reach some miners from here and here, but unfortunately
with an omnidirectional you can't.
yeah,
Only with a directional.
I don't know, because if here is the hills, mountain, forest, what you want to say, the directional antenna goes through the mountain?
Maybe if it's a high dBi.
I don't know. We will test. Soon we will buy a 16 dBi directional antenna and
Yagi.
Yagi, and we will see.
There is a miner who is using directional, and he
it's
is
here. Look at this. Here is the one.
shooting
Here
only
is the one. Just a moment.
to Deva.
Yes.
Which
Just
one?
a moment. Look at this. See?
Yeah, take a look at this.
Here is Deva, and here is near to Timișoara. I think somewhere. Yeah, here is Timișoara. But let's see the distance
How far?
from
He go?
Deva. From Deva is 51 kilometers, and from here to here it's 85 kilometers.
So with a directional he can go whenever he wants.
But I'm ask myself, why he don't put the antenna here on the CBU?
Maybe his
Because-
antenna is too powerful and it will go over CBU. Don't you think?
I
Just
think he put it, but
measure how many kilometers are from CBU to his location.
40.
Maybe
I
his
think-
antenna is too powerful.
Look,
Yeah. Maybe his antenna is too powerful and it will ignore others.
no, the antenna will ignore a city, a region with miners, only if too height. But if you put it directly on
He's
the
using
city,
15
15
dBi
dBi
at 20
See?
meters with a bobcat.
Some days ago, he take only from Deva, but I think he put up antenna. I don't remember now if he have 20 meters. I don't remember. Maybe he rise up the antenna. Let's see some activity in the list. Just a moment. Okay.
Sometimes he is making invalid witnesses.
Just a moment. See, only from here. I'm sure he rise up the antenna. See, just from here.
And also from Timișoara.
No, Timișoara see this broadcast. Yeah, I'm sure he rise up the antenna.
We will try this too. We will try.
Yeah.
With 16 dBi.
And here is another one with a directional. Just a moment. It's only here. Directional, and another one here. Just a moment. Okay, the same.
It's the same that we looked.
Yeah.
The other one.
The other one
down below him.
Okay, here. Let's see. And I think this is to Deva. Just a moment. No, the same here. Yeah,
No,
it's Deva.
It's to Deva, yeah.
See? It's
So
Deva.
with only
One is-
2.8 dBi.
Yeah.
How?
I don't think he
What?
set up the antenna here in the app.
I don't think it's true.
It's not
you
possible.
You can't
It's not
with the
possible.
2.8 dBi.
2.8 is not directional.
You can't find on internet
No.
any of this kind of
No,
antenna.
no. He didn't set in the app.
Well,
Okay, guys. Let's go back to our miner.
these
And
are
as
the.
I said, you see, even this one, don't try to get miners from Sibiu. From here is much more than Deva miners. Why? He don't put in this direction, because here is the big mountain. Listen to me. You will see. We will not reach miners from here. Never. Listen to me. We will try only.
We
for...
will have to see.
Yeah.
First, we need to purchase the antenna.
Yeah. Okay.
These are the results with the antennas we build. We will stop here with the antenna building.
Yeah.
Because it's a waste of time.
And no more rewards.
Almost every antenna does the same. You
Yes.
can't get more.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below what you think about. Is it worth buying a directional antenna or getting another omnidirectional but with a higher dBi? Until the next video, enjoy witnessing and beaconing.
Bye bye.